So 4.3, in 4.3 we have some new things. We have already learned about similar and dissimilar terms, but here again we are going to deal, because now we are in this chapter we are going to deal with addition and subtraction of algebraic terms. So I have already said that in algebra we actually separate the terms in the form of addition and subtraction, not with multiplication or division. Basically in this stage we don't have the multiplication thing, but we have already learned like multiplication division is simple, like we directly multiply whatever there is difference in terms or variable. But in case of addition or subtraction, we can't take a single term. We deal with similar terms in case of in case of addition and subtraction. We don't actually deal with different terms. Like if I say 2a plus 3b and another thing is given 2a into 3b. So for this what we do, we actually can't do anything here. It can't be breaking. It's actually 2a plus 3b. We can't write more line. Like if it comes from 4a minus 2a plus 6b minus 3b. Then what we have done, we have just done calculation for the same terms and kept the plus sign as it is, because we have nothing to do. But if it comes as multiplication, what we will do? We can multiply the coefficients, like 3 to the 6, and we can write as AB. But we can't write that, yes, 2 plus 3, 5 and AB will be kept AB. It's wrong. Don't do this mistake. Many students of you will do this mistake, but it's completely different. Like it's like what? I will explain it furthermore. First let's talk about similar and dissimilar terms. So basically, if you are given similar terms, like I am giving you some terms like 6xy minus xy minus if we just focus here, all the terms have different coefficients. Like for xy we have 6 as coefficient, here we have minus 1 as coefficient, also we have half as coefficient, here 3 as coefficient, y as coefficient, a as coefficient. If we consider xy as a single variable or a term, so you can see every term with similar variable can be termed as similar terms. That means all these are similar terms. So here our condition is terms with same variable might have different coefficient. So these are the two conditions. Okay, so but for dissimilar terms we have to have different variables, like 6y and 6x square y, both can't be same. Again 6y square x minus 5 xy square. So here our though our coefficient is same for these three cases, but our terms are, the variable terms are not same. So these are dissimilar terms, we can't add them. So yes, so we will write here terms with different variable might have different or same coefficient. So yes, basically there is no saying with there is no dealing with coefficient in judging whether the terms are similar or dissimilar. We have to just deal with the variable. But if the variables are same, then we will consider it as similar term. Whatever the coefficient is, if similar or dissimilar, it will fall in the same category of similar terms. And in case of dissimilar terms, we will deal with different variables. Like here, whether they have, in spite of having same coefficient, though as they have actually different variables, they are dissimilar terms. So yes. Then addition of algebraic expression. So if we are given some algebraic expression, let's just take 6y plus 7xy plus 44 xy squared plus 3xy squared plus 3xy. So we are given an expression like this. Similarly, we are given another expression like 5xy squared plus 3xy minus 4xy 4xy. So what we will do for this addition process, we will just firstly we will simplify the given expression, the similar terms and dissimilar terms, like 6xy, 7xy and 3xy, all these are in same terms. So what we will do, we will just add those, like 6 plus 7 plus 3, it will be 9 plus 7, 16xy, and here xy square, we have two similar terms, like 4 plus 3, we are getting 7xy square. So terms with same variable, we will just add the coefficients directly and write xy square as it is. Okay, so what we will do next, we will simplify the another given term. So here we have 5xy square and 3xy minus 4xy. So here xy and xy we have similar term, so we will just calculate it. So 4xy minus 4xy plus 3xy, we are getting minus xy. So after doing the simplification, what we will do, we will just write this up and below order, like 16xy plus 7xy square. We will write the same term below the same term, maintaining the signs. Like we have minus xy here, so I am writing below 16xy and then 5xy square below 7xy square. Then I will do a normal addition. So here 16xy minus xy, so it will be 15xy. Then we have 7xy square plus 5xy square, so it will be 12xy square. So I have just added them in this way. So basically what I was trying to make you understand before, that it's like if I considered xy as a banana, this as banana as well, and let's suppose xy square is an apple and y square as apple as well, and it's as banana. I think you will be now more clear. Like we have 6 banana plus 7 banana plus 4 apple plus 3 apple plus 3 banana. So So we can directly write, yes, I have 6 plus 7 plus 3. That means I have actually 16 bananas, and 7 plus 7 plus, okay, then I have 4 plus 3, 7 apples. So I can write, yes, I have 6, I have 9, I have 16 bananas, and I do have 4 plus 3, 7 apples. So in this way, we can't actually say that I have 16 plus 7. What we are getting? 16 plus 7. Let me write that we are getting 23. Okay. Yes, 7, 3, 28. So we can't say that I have 23 banana apple. Is it possible to say that I have 23 banana apple or apple banana? It's impossible. We just say separately that yes, I do have 16 bananas and 7 apples separately. We can't say together. So yes, they are different things, or you can assume as person, whatever you want to. So yes, in this way we will do. So in case of addition, what we will do, we will just simplify and write all the and another term will be written below, maintaining the sequence. Like below xy, we will write the terms regarding xy, maintaining the sign. Then we will just add this. Like add this means we will not add. We will add this like this way, like 16xy plus minus xy. So one thing I don't know you know or not, but I am making you clear that if there is a plus sign and there is a minus sign, so plus and minus will give you a minus value. So it's a thing. Again, if you have a minus sign and another minus sign, it will give you a positive value, but the sign will be actually minus. Like if there were minus 16xy minus xy, so it will be minus 17xy. So it will actually add, then addition will occur. We have to add, we have to subtract here, we have to add here. Again minus plus, we will get negative value, and plus obviously gives positive value. That means we have to add. So these things need to be remembered. So I hope you will get through these things. So yes, in this way we will solve addition. So addition is a very basic and easy thing. So subtraction is a bit tricky one. So moving to subtraction part. So for subtraction part, if you are given 6xy minus 7xy square plus 6y, and another term is 8xy. I am just writing in sequence. Okay. 8xy square minus 5y. So for this we will similarly do the same thing. So for this one we need to change the sign of the expression, of the second expression. That means from where we need to subtract, we have to change the sign. Like for plus 8xy, it will be minus 8xy. Then this minus will be plus and this will be plus. That means minus will be plus and vice versa. We have to follow this rule. So here what we will do now is 8xy minus 8xy. Now we will do regular summation. So minus 8xy plus 6xy, it will give us minus 2xy. Then we have 8xy square minus 7xy square. Then we are getting plus xy square. Then we are getting here plus plus. That means we are getting here plus 6 plus 5, 11y. So you might be confused. I am writing in a single sentence that it will be like 6xy minus 7xy square plus 6y. So I am writing in a single line that we have a minus, we have to subtract. Then 8xy minus 8xy squared minus 5y. So when we are writing in this way, so if I write 5 minus minus 5, I have already said minus and minus will give, minus will give us plus. That means it will be minus, minus into minus will give us plus. So we will write 5 plus 5, it will be 10. Okay, yes. So if it is in this process here, minus and minus is in the form of multiplication. Though these 5 and 5 are in the form of minus subtraction, but if there is this sign sidewise, what we will do, we will multiply this by this. So we will get 10. So we will apply this theory over here, that 6xy minus 7xy squared plus 6y. So this minus, before this actually means this minus will be multiplied with all the operational signs. That means we have a plus here, it will be multiplied with with this plus, this minus and this minus as well. So what we will get, what we will do, we will maintain all this throughout we will multiply this minus with all the signs inside. So if we multiply minus with plus 8xy, we are getting minus 8xy, because minus and plus gives us minus. Then minus into minus, we are getting plus 8xy squared. Then nextly we are getting minus into minus plus 5y. So you can do in this way as well. So we are actually getting back this term, minus 8xy plus 8xy squared plus 5y. So basically when there is a you are saying to do difference, you will just change the sign. All the signs will be changed, just reversed. So it's the technique, but it's the basic, like in this way it comes. So if we do the calculation, we will get the same thing back, minus 2xy, 6xy minus 8xy, that means minus 2xy, then 7xy square plus minus 7xy square plus 8xy square, that gives us xy square, and plus 11y, that means 6y plus 5y. So we are getting this term back. So in this way our subtraction thing is happening. So basically if you are confused that how we are changing, why we are changing the sign, so it's our explanation. So I think by this you have got the idea. So here we need to remember that minus multiplied with minus gives us positive sign, minus with plus, here we get actually minus, then plus with minus we get minus, plus into plus we get positive. So these four things are to be memorized or need to be remembered for solving these things. So yes, I hope you are clear with the subtraction process, because in this exercise we are going to deal with subtraction, addition, simplification of algebraic terms.